Hello and welcome back again to Boost Your Business. This is Phil.
Hi.
And I'm Uwe, and together we will lead you through Module 4, which is about negotiation techniques. Phil, you as a salesperson, imagine the following scenario.
Yeah.
You're going to close a deal with your customer.
Yeah.
You've been all through the sales process. You
Yes.
identified their problem.
Yeah.
They have a budget.
Yeah.
They scanned the market for potential other vendors.
Yeah.
And they made a decision in your favor.
Oh, great.
And now you need to negotiate with them the price and the terms and conditions
That sounds good.
in a foreign language.
In a foreign language.
Right. What could go wrong?
Oh, 100 things could go wrong. Now, firstly, you have to clearly understand their requirements, and because it's in a foreign language, you have to understand the various nuances of that language. For example, this could be idiomatic phrases, key commercial vocabulary, small talk situations, and there's a whole host of situations that you could be faced with. And you have to have the confidence to face these challenges, deal with these situations, and you need to be armed with the skills to deal with them. And
So if you don't win the negotiation, you will not win the deal.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Another scenario.
Yeah.
You're at your customers.
Yeah.
You're in a meeting.
Yeah.
There are 15 people around the table.
Yeah.
And they are waiting for you to make a presentation
Yeah.
in a
need
foreign
me.
language.
Okay, I've got to deliver the message and the value proposition to these people.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. What can go wrong?
Oh, well, you have to stand there and have the confidence, the key language skills to deliver that message. So firstly, it's presentation skills you need and the foreign language skills. And to have that clearly, you have to learn it so you can deliver it in a clear way. There's nothing like standing in front of 10 or 15 businessmen who you've got to try and convince of your product, and you forget the vocabulary, you forget the words, the commercial words, and you just stand there saying repeating yourself. It's not professional, and you're not going to get the deal.
So you need the three things, right? You need negotiation techniques.
Yes.
You need presentation techniques.
Yes.
And you need...
Language skills.
Exactly.
Very important. If you're going to deliver the message, get them to sign the contract, this is what you need.
Okay. Where can salespeople learn this?
Well, they can come to take part in the Boost Your Business program.
Exactly.
It's running.
Right. How could they get there?
How we get there? Send us an email, contact us, and we'll provide them with the information at the bottom of this video.
Okay. That's
Okay.
it. Thank you very much.
Thank
See
you.
you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.